Hi everyone, you're all welcome. I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious native banga soup. Please don't miss this video for anything. Watch till the end and also help me to share. All right, let's get started. I'll start by cooking my meat. I have goat's meat, shaki, and beef here. I added onions, salt, seasoning powder, and seasoning cube. I also added thyme as well. I'm going to cover and let it heat a little, and as you can see, the maggi is soft. Now I'm going to stir everything together. I didn't add water to the meat, okay? Like I just used the water from the meat. So after I added my stock fish, this is the ingredients for the banga soup. That's my scotch bonnet pepper, also known as fresh pepper. So I've grinded everything. That's the banga spices. I grinded it and added to it. Please, these banga spices you have to add to it. If not, you not get that taste, that aroma. Okay. So I also have some seasoning powder, already grinded powder that they bought for me as well from Nigeria. So I just added everything and then I'm going to stir and then cover to let cook. This is my banga paste that I'll be using. It is 800 gram. I'm going to remove everything and then put it in my bowl. Okay, in this bowl I'm going to add hot water, not boiled water, hot water, so to remove the dirt and everything. As you can see here, I have some dirt in the banga. You see, that's the reason why you do it like this. So I'm just going to take that off. If maybe I didn't miss it, all this dirt would have just be inside the soup like that. Okay, so it is very important to do it like this. That's the best way actually. So after adding that scotch bonnet pepper, it was not enough. I like my food to be spicy, especially banga. So I added some dried pepper again and added a little water. So now I'm going to cover to still let cooking. As you can see, after letting it cook for some time, I added my dried fish. That's some catfish here, some dried catfish. So now I'm going to remove the oil because the oil is very much. This oil, I can also use it for another soup later, for like a goosey soup. Yeah, so I removed it because when the oil is too much, it's not good. Too much oil is also not healthy. This powder right here is what is going to make my soup thick. Yes, it's going to make it a little bit thick. Guys, you have to use this in your banga soup, okay? If they are buying it for you or you go there to buy it yourself, just tell them you need this powder to make the soup thick. Without these ingredients and everything, you won't have that original banga taste. So this is also banga spices. It's like banga dried leaf, okay? The spices. So I added that as well, and the rest of my crayfish. I'm just going to add a little more water to let it cook properly. Okay, so I added my seasoning, and after that I'm going to stir carefully so that the fish will not break in the pot. Banga soup is another delicious healthy food, especially if you don't eat it too often. Guys, banga soup is a must try, and use the ingredients as well. You will love it. It is also very good with starch. So now it's time for me to add my fresh and smoked mackerel fish. Guys, without fish, how can you make banga soup now? It doesn't make sense. Like, it won't come out that delicious. You have to add fish to your banga soup. At this point, I'm going to cover my pot to let the soup cook. And after some time, the soup is ready. Banga soup is a must try. It is very delicious and the aroma is everything. I ate mine with plantain fufu. You can pair it with plantain fufu, starch, or pounded yam. It's very okay. Thank you so much for watching this video from the start till this very end. Please help me to share, like, comment, and if you have not followed me yet, follow me on my page and all social media platform with the name Mama Triple N. Thank you so much, and I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. All right, bye.